In this video, we will introduce Dam Stop Leak Professional, what it treats, and where you can use it. Dam Stop Leak Professional is designed for sealing leaking dams that have held water successfully in the past. For best results, it is intended for use on natural earth surfaces rather than on liners made of concrete, tin, or plastic. It is safe for livestock and fish, it is non-toxic and environmentally friendly, and it provides a seamless and sustainable solution for your water body. Dam Stop Leak Professional is designed to seal common leaks in earth-based dams without the need to drain your dam. This product works best in natural-based dams and on all soil and clay types, including shale and rock that have held water before. It can be used for fast or slow leaks through the dam wall or base, leaks caused by old tree roots rotting away, cracks in dry, shrinking clay, erosion of the dam floor or walls over time, leaks from yabbies, and water loss from pressure buildup. It is also commonly added to newly built dams to improve their ability to hold water. Dam Stop Leak Professional is 100% granulated polymers of varying sizes, which creates a robust permanent seal as they're drawn into cracks and gaps, expanding to stop leaks effectively. The variation in polymer sizes allow for less product and more coverage, with long-lasting effects. Unlike other products on the market, Dam Stop Leak Professional contains zero potassium. This means Dam Stop Leak Professional seals dams and ponds effectively without adding plant-available nutrients to the water, helping to reduce the risk of algae blooms and maintaining better water quality. For the product to work effectively, the waterline should be above the cracks. If the cracks are above the waterline, the middle of the dam may require initial treatment, while the walls will require periodical treatment as the water rises. Sometimes the leaks can be identified by greener areas around the banks, areas void of vegetation, or the capillary action of water draining can be seen. This long-lasting product produces noticeable results in days, with faster leaks plugging faster, while slower leaks may take up to 21 days. Dam Stop Leak Professional is an effective solution for plugging in leaking dams. For more information on Dam Stop Leak Professional, check out our other videos on how much to use, how to apply, and what to expect after treatment. Or you can visit our website aquatictechnologies.com.au.